Locust Point residents gathered at the entrance of the Throgs Neck Expressway along Harding Avenue to let their frustrations out.
Literally, people cannot get in and out.
This is all due to the heavy traffic congestion the area experiences during rush hour. Assemblyman for the area, Michael Benedetto, says he's calling on DOT to create a solution for residents.
You have a whole bunch of cars coming on down here using this last entrance to the bridge, and it clogs up the local streets. The possibility of DOT creating another lane over here because there is room.
Residents say that it's gotten so bad that cars bottleneck right here at this intersection and emergency vehicles cannot get through.
If there's an emergency vehicle, they can't get through. They can't get through Harding, and they can't get through the Throgs Neck Expressway extension, which leads into our Locust Point. So we would be without fire, ambulance, and police.
Some residents telling us they're worried about businesses in the area which are being affected by rush hour traffic. However, Regional Director of Bridge Operations Ray Higgins says closing the ramps during rush hour isn't such a simple solution.
There's people in the community who don't want it closed. And there's a lot of moving pieces here. There's no one simple question that encapsulates the whole thing, and there's no one simple answer that would answer the whole thing.
The small community is planning to sit down with MTA bridges and tunnels later this month. Reporting for BronxNet, Dorissa White.